In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank details in Xero. Keeping your bank information accurate is essential for clean reconciliations, clear reporting, and avoiding confusion for your team. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with a role that can manage bank accounts and have your official bank details on hand so you can enter them exactly as they appear on your statement. From your Xero dashboard, head to the accounting menu at the top. This is where you manage core financial features. Open it and choose bank accounts. You'll see a list of all the bank and credit card accounts connected to your organization. Find the account you want to update, then look for the three dots next to it. That ellipsis is the action menu where you can make changes without leaving the page you're on. Select Edit Account Details. This opens the settings panel for that specific bank account. You'll be able to update the bank name, and account number, and you'll see your current entries so you can adjust them with confidence. Start with the bank name. Enter the formal recognized name of your bank. Using the correct name helps keep your reports tidy and ensures anyone reviewing your accounts immediately understands which institution the account belongs to. Next, update the account name. Think of this as the label your team will see throughout Xero. Choose something clear and descriptive, perhaps the business name and the account's purpose, so it's obvious in reports and during reconciliation which account you're working with. Now adjust the account number. Type it exactly as it appears from your bank. Some regions include formats like sort code, BSB, or branch code. If Xero shows those fields, complete them precisely. Avoid adding extra spaces or symbols unless your bank explicitly uses them, and double check every digit. Even a single typo can cause headaches when you're matching transactions. Take a moment to review all three fields carefully. Consistency is key. The details you enter here should match your banking records. If your account has an active bank feed, remember that changing information in Xero doesn't change anything at your bank. It simply updates how the account is stored and displayed inside Xero. If your bank has issued a new account number or you've switched products, check your bank's guidance to ensure your feed continues smoothly. That's it. You've navigated to accounting, opened bank accounts, used the three dots to access edit account details, and updated the bank name, and account number. Keeping these fields accurate will make reconciliations faster, reports clearer, and your audit trail stronger. Thanks for watching, and keep your records clean and up to date.